We're going to wrap it up with the stencil for the Heart Border Large. Now, this is the latest addition to our Heart stencil collection. I chose it because it's really fun to sort of do your border separate. Sometimes, like I did this in my Snowmageddon quilt, it was really big on the inside, so I just did a really large meander on the inside of it. I was pretty new on my quilting journey at that point, and so that was the easiest way for me to cover a lot of ground, but I still wanted kind of a custom look, so I did something different in each of the borders to go outside of that. And this is a great way to do that because it fits really well inside of a 4-inch border, which is a really common size border. And so you can just line that up and quilt around it. And that way you're committing to doing something fancy for a small part of your quilt. And you can do something easier in the main part of it, or even just go with one of the other stencil meanders that have different hearts on them. And you can definitely make that go that way.